Hello, today you're looking at a SASSC 500 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit has been fully refurbished, tested, and checked out. It is ready to ship. Very nice condition on the inside. Take a look at the board here on the door. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 36 inches wide by 51 inches high. It is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. Take a look at the remote here, digital controls. We'll turn this up in a second. And here we go. And over here we see the ripple wave. If you're interested in this rectifier, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.